Beautiful views I seen, and I seen plenty, but still can't match Salvador. But wow, let's see, where am I? But yeah, first time being up here, and it's awesome. It's awesome. But I did look up that they do have black bears here, so I'm trying to beat the night before it catches me. Zeus, come here. All right, down here, this way. So I'm trying to beat the night because I do not want to get stuck here at night, especially because I came prepared, but I didn't bring no flashlight. So right now I'm relying on my phone. So let's see if I can beat this. I said I do not want to get stuck here alone. Let's go. I'm trying to speed it up real quick. Try to run, not run, but speed walk, I guess. Like I said, I don't want to be here. Don't want to get caught. I did somewhat come prepared, but not fully. Like I have a knife, some lighters, snacks, water, paper toilet, just in case, you know. Gotta pull out, you know, the old school ways, like in El Salvador, where you just use leaves. Y te echa una cagadita ahí, you know. Yeah. So far, this place is nice. Love it. First time here, and there's a lot to explore in this area. There's like 3 trails. I only took 1 trail because of the time that I came. I came here at 5 o'clock. So it's an awesome place. All green. Some weird trees, as you can see. Yeah. But yeah. But what I'm worried about is those black bears. I'm not trying to encounter one. Even though I got mace with me and a knife, but and I got Zeus, but that still won't. I don't think that'll fend off a black bear, especially if you run into like cubs and the mother's there. Zeus will protect me, but he's not the size of a bear. So I'm looking out his back, and he's making sure he looks out for mine. But yeah, whoever want to come here, make sure you come here early. Do not come here late, because practically you're in a race with nightfall. And what sucks about it, they have a lot of these little uphills, and this can slow down a lot. This can slow you down a lot. So as I am right now, I'm climbing and climbing. Look at that. So I do recommend you come early. Don't come here late, because if you do, and that nightfall catches up with you, you might as well camp out here, because this is no joke. Fudge. Up here, up. This can make you tired. Estas son unas montañas aquí en Maryland que se llama Sugarloaf Mountains, aquí en Fredericksburg. La montaña es bien grande y un montón de rocas. Un buen ejercicio, pero se cansa. Si no viene preparado, se puede cansar bien rápido. Por eso trae agua, botella de agua para Zeus, para mí. Sándwiches, chocolate, papel de toile. En caso, si quiero hacer número 2. Pero si vienen aquí y lleguen temprano, yo llegué a las 5 y ahorita estoy intentando salirme aquí y son las 7 y algo. Estoy en una estoy intentando ganar y llegar al carro antes que la noche llegue, porque ya cuando la noche está aquí se pone bien oscuro y es bien peligroso, porque aquí hay osos negros. Traí mis cosas como cuchilla, fósforos, maíz, pero y sus tengo, pero no es suficiente para un oso. Por eso estoy intentando llegar y caminar más rápido que puedo, porque no quiero estar aquí ya cuando esta noche. But yeah, guys, it's going up on YouTube. As you see the background, hopefully you've been checking it out. You see the little blue paint. Those are actually telling you where to go. Like there's a map in the midway of the entrance, and it shows you how to get out. But like I said, once it's nightfall, it's pretty hard. You don't want to be here wandering. It is a mountain. It has different animals that you don't want to encounter either. So my best bet for you guys, make sure you come early. I learned my lesson. Right now, it's like I'm kind of trying to speed walk and get down this mountain as fast as possible. But like I said, all these rocks can slow you down a lot. Whoa. And you see Zeus. Let me put that on the camera real quick. Oopsie. Oh, I can't flip it. But might as well just go. Zeus is in a race to get down this mountain. He's tired. He drank a full water bottle by himself. Luckily I brought another one just in case for him. So I know this is a long walk for him. I never took him hiking this long, so it's the first for him. But yeah, this is tough. This is tough. No, Zeus. Hope you guys can see. Not sure you can, but focus. See all these little rocks, they just slow you down a lot. So yeah, just make sure you guys, when you come here, come prepared. Bring snacks, bring water bottles, mosquito spray. It is like practically like a rainforest. A lot of trees means a lot of insects. Look at this. You didn't know that rock was there. I don't know, he wasn't tired as I am. But yeah, guys, logging out. Talk to you guys later. Enjoy your Saturday or whatever day it is you tend to watch this video. Great workout though, you know. It does make you sweat hella a lot. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. Oh, here's this. Nah, stop. Yeah. Alright guys, take care. Talk to you later.